Hello, viewers. Welcome to the class for today. Today, we want to look at angles in a triangle, finding angles in a triangle. This is an assignment I gave to my student, and she's already in the class. You can subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Favor, how are you today?
Good.
All right, you're welcome back to class after the break. And when are you resuming back to school?
We've already resumed.
Okay, fine. Do you have a new topic now in your mathematics?
We're learning about mode, median,
Mean median mode.
those things. Yes. And there's this extra one step that we subtract the maximum number and the minimum number, and where you find another one where you find the odd number in the group.
Okay.
Remember?
What I would say is that after we look at these questions, when we finish, you will try to send some questions from your book, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. But let's look at this first. So, the first question, and please, while you were doing that, you help me confirm the particular topic, the exact topic of Israel, because Israel might just come and tell me we're just doing addition, we're just doing, you understand what I'm saying?
Okay.
Because I really want to be on the same page with him as well. So the first one here, we're looking for x in the first triangle. And to get the x, what we need to do is find the angles at the bottom because they must be equal. This angle at the bottom page must be equal. This one and this one. So if I put it there, say this angle must be equal to this other angle. Then we can then know one of them, if we're able to say, okay, how can I find one of them, which is this one that is closer to 1, 2, 3? If I call it angle y, so I'll just say y plus 1, 2, 3 is 180 because sum of angles on a straight line is 180. The two angles are on this straight line. So y equal to 180 minus 123. So 180 minus 120 will be 60, and 60 minus 3 is 57. 57 degrees. So if that is 57, it means that this place is also 57 because they are equal since this is isosceles triangle. When you see this mark, it means it's an isosceles triangle, and the property is that the base angles, this angle and this angle, must be equal, right?
Okay.
Okay, so we can just go ahead and say in that triangle we have angle x that we're looking for plus the 57 of the two other angles, 57. All of them should give us 180 degrees. So we have x plus, if I add 57 plus 57, what will I get?
Um.
114.
Yeah.
114 degrees equals to 180 degrees. So x equal to 180 degrees minus 114 degrees. So x is, so if I remove 100 from 180, I get 80. If I remove 10, I get 70. If I remove 4, I get 66 degrees. So 66 degrees. So that is the value of the angle at the top that we're looking for. Okay. Did you get 66? Did you get 66?
No, no.
Okay. Now let's go to the second one. Number two. That's the first answer. Then the second one. Uh, there is something we need to take note of in the second one, and it is the top part of the shape. Can you see the top part? Can you see it? Can you see the top part of the shape?
Yes, I don't know. The things I'm working for. Yes.
Yeah, so there is a distance, I mean, an angle inside and an angle outside. If I had the two together, their angle at a point, they meet at a point, angle within a circle, okay? So if you
Okay.
add them together, it must give you 360. So if I call this place y, so that means y plus 318 degree equal to 360 degrees. So that's y equal to 360 degrees minus 318 degrees. So remove 300 from 360, you get 60. Remove 10, you get 50. Remove 8,
Yes.
you get 42. So y is what? 42 degrees. So that means the
Okay.
angle
Okay.
inside here is 42 degrees. Now we're looking for the one at the bottom, which is this x. And it must be the same with this other x, because they must both be x. Anything the first one is, the second one must be, because of this symbol that shows it's an isosceles triangle. So the two angles at the base must be equal. So um, we can now conclude and say that we have 42 plus x plus the other x equal to 180 degrees from that triangle. So 42 plus 2x equal to 180 degrees. So 2x equal to 180 degrees minus 42 degrees. 2x equal to 38 degrees, right?
Yes.
X is what?
It is very bright.
And that will be what? 19
19.
degrees. So that is the value of the angle we're looking for. Also, the third one, I'm going to move it to the bottom page. So that's um, let's see. Okay, we're looking for x. This is like a special case. So these are the base angles that must be equal in the first place. Okay, so the base angles must be equal. So if I want to find these base angles, maybe I can call them maybe b and b. So I would say 50 degrees, 50 degrees at the top here, plus 2b, which is b and b, equals to 180 degrees. So 2b equal to 180 minus 50, which is 130 degrees. B equal to 65 degrees. So that means I can put 65, that this angle is 65 and the other one is also 65, but I need only this one so that I can use it to find this place, okay?
Okay.
Because this straight away forms half a circle, which is 180 degrees. So if I put angle C here, I would say B plus C. Let me see. I'll say B plus C should give me 180 because they are on a straight line. and B is 65. Then plus C equals to 180 degrees. So C will be what? 180 degrees minus 65 degrees. So what is 180 minus 65?
Mm.
Remove 60, you get 120. Remove 5, you get 115. Okay, is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes.
So since I have the C now, I can say C plus 31 in the other triangle plus the X that I'm looking for should be 180 degrees. So you can say C is 115 degrees plus 31 degrees plus X equal to 180 degrees. So it's easier to find the X now. What is 115 plus 31? 5 plus 1 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. And this is 1. 146 degrees plus X equal to 180 degrees. So X equal to what? 180 degrees minus what?
And 146.
So what's the answer? Remove 140, you get 40, and remove 6, you get what?
34 degrees.
34 degrees. Okay, before you come and write anything down, I'm going to please send the pages of the work from your
Okay.
book. Yeah, so that we look
Okay.
at that. All right, viewers, thanks for watching. We're going to continue shortly. You can subscribe to this channel. Thank you. All right, Favor, can you hear me now?
Yes.
So, having done that, the topic you said you're looking at is measures of center and spread, right?
Yes.
Um, the topic is still the same thing as um, measures of central tendency, okay?
Okay.
But then it also goes into, apart from finding range, it's now into finding IQR. Do you know what is called IQR?
No.
Okay, interquartile range. Interquartile, like inter.
What orange?
Yes, you've had it before, right?
No.
Okay, probably that'll be a bonus there. I'll just explain some stuffs today. While based on the explanation, I'll just give you um, homework against tomorrow. Okay, is that clear?
Yes.
So we know that in measures of central tendency, we've been taught how to find mean. You know this, right? You know how to find mean, right?
Yes.
And what?
The
Median,
median mode.
mode, and range, right?
Yes.
How do you find range?
Isn't it that you see the difference between largest and smallest
Yes, that's very
number?
correct. That's very correct. So even if I give you questions, you just walk through all these ones. But now to the interquartile range, it has a formula. Interquartile range is quarter 3 minus quarter 1. How do I mean? What I mean by quarters, quarters, quarters? You know, quarter is like 1/4, right?
Yes.
So if I say quarter 1, that would be 1/4, like the 25%, okay, of the data set. Then
Yes.
quarter 3 should be 3/4, which is like 75%. Then, of course, the fourth quarter should be the whole, while the quarter two should be the middle, which is represented as the median here. Okay, exactly.
Yes.
So median could be regarded as quarter two. Okay, so we have the lower quarter, we have the upper quarter. Let's say I have a number line, on the number line, the numbers go in ascending order. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Good. So if there's a number here, I call it x1, and there's another one here, I call it x2, and I have another one here, number 3. That is maybe the first one is 20, the next one is 25, the next one is 48 or something. It doesn't have to have a regular pattern, since we're just dealing with some numbers, given numbers. So here we have x4, and here I have x5, x6, and probably x7. Maybe there are 7 numbers, okay? So if I am going to divide these numbers, I can see a middle spot, right?
Okay.
This is going to be the middle number, yes or no?
Yes.
So the middle, since it is arranged from smallest, to the biggest or largest, okay? So since it has been arranged from smallest to largest, we find this as the median, okay?
Okay.
Now, from the median to the left is lower quarter. We can find lower quarter there, or lower half rather, because from the median, half to the left, half to the right, right? Then we have the upper half.
Okay.
Half of the data set, right? Exactly.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Now, what about the quarters? Of course, upper quarter will be half of the upper half, while lower quarter will be half of the lower half. Now, I'm going to. Did you hear what I just said? Upper quarter will be
Yes.
what? Half of this. So, what is the midpoint of the upper half? X6, right?
6.
Very
Yes.
good. So, and to the other, half here, the midpoint is going to be what? X2, right?
Yes.
That is the second number. So, this year X2 is quarter one, while this year X6 is what? Quarter three. Is that clear?
Yes.
So, quarter three is known as upper quarter. Upper what? Quarter. While
Upper.
quarter
Oh,
one,
upper quarter.
yes, while quarter one is lower quarter. So, lower quarter is midpoint of lower half. Then upper quarter is midpoint of upper half of the data set. Is that clear? So
Yes.
it's easier to say that interquartile range will be upper what? Quarter, okay,
Quarter. Okay.
minus lower quarter. I think I need to
Quarter.
write that. So I can say I Q R equal to upper quarter minus lower quarter, which is the same as Q3 minus what? Q1.
Wow.
So if I give you any set of questions and I say find IQR, you arrange your data from the smallest to the biggest, largest, okay? Then you find the halfway, then you find the upper half and the what? Lower half. This is
Wow.
easier to do. This is 7 items, odd number, right?
Yes.
Because we have the total number of this thing is odd. What if it's even number? It's still the same thing. Just go to the middle way. That means your median will not be visible on your line, okay?
Okay.
Though it will still be there. You have to pick two at the middle to add and divide by two to get your median, right? Right.
Okay.
And so
Yes.
all you just have to do to that effect is to group the number into half to the right, half to the left when you have arranged from smallest to the biggest. Okay, let's take, for example, if we have set of numbers like maybe we have 80, 45, 47, 62, 58. 80. Let me see. We have 52. We have 56. Be another 52, 55, and 53. How many numbers are on the board?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 numbers. So we want to find the mean, the mean. Want to find the what? Median. Want to find the mode. Want to find the range. And want to find the IQR, okay?
Okay.
Now the first thing to get our mean is just easy. We just add up all the numbers and divide by 10, right? Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. I'll just punch a calculator and try to quickly add them up. So please call the numbers 80 plus what? 45 plus what? 47 plus what? 62 plus what? 58 plus what again? 52, then plus 56 plus 52 plus 55. Please be checking in case I mentioned something else. Then plus 53. I think this is 560. So mean equals to what? That's clear, right?
Yes.
So to get our median, we have to arrange from the smallest to the biggest. Give me the numbers from the smallest to the biggest. Yes, give me the numbers. 45, 47, 52. There's another 52,
56. Oh.
53, 55, 56,
What?
58, 62, and 80, right? So is it complete?
Yes.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now, in this regard, to find our median, we could see that this is even number data. So by the 53, we can see halfway to the left, right? And by the 53 also halfway to the right. That's the middle, right? So the median will be
Yes.
what? 53 plus what?
55.
Over 2. So if you had this, you get 54. Is that clear?
Yes.
You add and you divide by 2, you get 54. So median is 54. Now, mode. Which number occurred most? 1, 2, right? That is the one that occurred 2 times. Is that clear? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Range. Biggest number minus the smallest number, right? So what is 80 minus 45? That's 35.
So
Now, how do we get the interquartile range? From this, what is the midpoint of this one?
58.
58. That is quarter 3, upper quarter. What's the midpoint of the other side?
52.
52. That's quarter 1. So your interquartile range will be what? Q3 minus what? Q1, which is what?
58 minus
Minus
52.
52.
52 is 6.
And that's 6. Is that clear to you?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to give you some time to put down these details. Then you put down this one before I round up on your own session for your brother to come in, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. All right, viewers, we're going to continue shortly. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel. So, this next session is about word problems and solving linear equations. Word problems and solving linear equations. So, my student is in class. You can subscribe to this channel. Thank you. All right, Israel, can you hear me now?
Yes.
So let's look at the solution to this together.
Yes, I can hear
Read,
you.
read the first question, please.
Okay. Lucas purchased his motorcycle for $5,875.98 and sold it for $7,777,077. What was his profit?
So, in the first place, was it a profit or a loss? Even though they say what was his profit?
Price.
Are you sure? Was it a profit or a loss?
Right. Loss.
Why should it be a loss?
Because he's saying he purchased it for that much.
So he didn't sell it for way much higher. If you buy something
Yeah, he did.
for $10 and you sell it for $8,
Yeah.
is that a loss or a profit?
Yeah. A loss.
A loss because you sold it at a lower price than. Now, you bought something for 5,000 and sold it for 7,000. That's a profit because the selling price is higher than the cost price. Okay, so you say, what is the profit? That means we're going to subtract, right?
Yeah.
So the first one we have what? 7,777.77 minus 5, 8, 7, 5.98. This is technically requesting to know if you know about regrouping or borrowing. 7 minus 8 is not possible. That's 17 minus 8. And that's 9. This becomes 16 minus 9. That's 7. It's also 16. This is 6 minus 5. That's 1. 7 minus 7 is 0. Okay?
Okay.
Then 17 minus 8 again. And 6 minus 5 is 1. So the answer is $1,901.79 as his profit. But you got 1,951, right?
Yeah.
So that's wrong there. Read the second question, please.
Mike, Dan, Ed, and Sai played together on a baseball team. Mike's batting average was 0.349. Dan's was 0.2. Ed's was 0.35. And C's was 0.299. Oh, who had the highest batting average?
Who had the highest? So
Hmm.
that is like you just want to arrange the numbers from the smallest to the largest, okay?
Yeah. But I have a question about the first question.
Yeah,
First question.
please ask
Yeah,
the
I got the
question.
same number as
You got the same numbers, right?
yeah.
Isn't this 51?
No,
Uh,
that's meant to be a zero.
it's meant to be
Maybe
a
what's
zero.
something.
Okay.
Yes.
Maybe next time you should work on your handwriting, then I'll give it to you, okay? So let me give you the. Okay, now to the second one. Because it looks way more like 5 than 0. Maybe you write your 0 something like, I don't know how you've written your 0, that it looks like 5. Okay, so what's the smallest of all the decimal numbers? What are the numbers? 0
Zero point
point this, 0 point this, 0 point this, and 0 point this. So what's the smallest?
0.2.
0.2. We got 0.2, followed by which one?
0.35.
No way. Still 0.2. Followed by which one?
0.35.
No. 0.34. And what's the largest?
0.35.
You see, if you make them the same digits, this would have been 0.200, okay?
Okay.
And this will remain what? 0.299.
0.2.
This will be what? 0.349. And this will be what? 0.350, okay?
Okay.
Now it's clear to see the largest, right?
Yes.
So who had 0? That is Ed. Had at the largest average button. Okay, put down the solution to the second one, like you put down the arrangement, the line 1, line 2, and your final answer.
Okay.
All right, viewers, we're going to continue shortly. All right, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, so let's have the solution to these questions. Number one, one thing I'm going to say is that even the ones you get correctly, you might still be required to put down the solution after solving it, okay?
Okay.
Because of the step. So for number one, when you have a question like 8 plus x equal 12, you don't just go to the front and start writing, okay? No, it's not done. So you go to the next line and say x equal to 12 minus 8, okay? Then x
Okay.
equal to 4. This way, your examiner knows that you know what you're doing, though I'm still going to give you a mark. Then the second one, 10 minus y equal to 6. That means 10 minus 6 equal to y. 4 equal to y, or y equal to 4. Then number 3, we have 3 plus b equal to 9. That means b equal to 9 minus 3, and b equal to 6. The steps are clear, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that is how to, solve things out. Then number 4, we have 7 minus c equal to 2. So we can say 7 minus 2 equal to c, 5 equal to c, or c equal to 5. So that is, then number 5, we have 18 minus c equal to 7. So 18, oh, it's not minus c, it's minus I. So 18 minus I equal to 7. So 18 minus 7 equal to I. That means I equal to 11. Then number 6, we have 8 plus n equal to 14. N equal to 14 minus 8. So n equal to 6. But you didn't know the last two, right?
Yeah.
Okay. For number 7, we have 7 plus 3b equal to 22. The same method. Are you looking at the board?
Yes.
3b equal to 22 minus 7. 3b equal to 15. b equal to 15 over 3. b equal to 5. Okay?
Okay.
Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Number 8. 5 plus 4c equal to 17. 4c equal to 17 minus 5. 4c equal to 12. C equal to 12 over 4. And C finally equal to what? 3.
3.
So just because of the method, put down the solutions to 1 to 6 step by step the way I've written them. Then I'm going to give you the other ones to write, okay?
Okay.
All right, viewers. Thanks so much for watching. You can subscribe to this channel for updates on our future videos. And that'll be it for now. Goodbye.